In this video, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp link to your Google business profile in 2026. First, sign into the Google account that manages your Google business profile. Once you're signed in, search for your business name on Google and open your business profile management panel. Next, click Edit Profile to access your business information and settings. After that, look for the Contact section. Depending on your profile, you may see an option to add a chat or messaging method. Now, enter your WhatsApp link. Your WhatsApp link should use the format wa.me followed by your phone number, including the country code and no spaces or special characters. Next, save your changes and wait for Google to process the update. In some cases, changes may take a little time to appear publicly. After that, visit your Google business profile and check that the WhatsApp contact option is displaying correctly. If it's available, customers will be able to click the link and start a WhatsApp conversation with your business. Finally, test the link yourself to make sure it opens the correct WhatsApp chat and connects visitors to the right phone number. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a WhatsApp link to your Google business profile in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.